Hi, I'm Mark Boden. I run Fall Line Motorsports.
You're looking at Mercedes, Porsche, BMW. Nothing is short of a pinup poster car.
We operate like a pro team.
It does get a little frustrating racing against that, because you're never going to be able to prep the car at the same level.
As a kid, I always thought being a race car driver is the coolest thing in the world. And I'm still a kid.
How you doing, Mark? Well, I'm doing well.
There is a big human element to race cars. People think these cars are just metal, but they're much more than that. They all have a personality. They're part of your life. They're a relationship. My touring one car is a BMW M3 that I have raced since 2008, and that car's kind of like a girlfriend to me that we've had relationship issues. That car retired from professional racing, and we brought it into club racing and started modifying it, and she really did not like the modifications to our relationship for a long time. And it took a good 5 years before I decided I loved her again. and now we're married for life. In SCCA, largely the racing community is a big family, but I know I have pissed off my share of people. We tend to try and race clean, but boy, we could be aggressive. I'm not the guy that's going to win it in turn one. I'm the guy that's going to win it with a lap and a half to go. If I see a gap, I am going to go for it.
Every amateur racer has a story. Subscribe to Amateur Racer and join us for more on-track content.